So guys, today we are going to start tutorial of Go language. So Go language is very trending language right now. And what is the advantage of using Go language first of all? So because we have already have many languages, so why a Go language is needed right now? So Go language is basically guys a statically typed and compiled programming language, and that is designed at Google, and which is very similar to C language with memory safety, garbage collections, and structural typing and CSP style concurrency. So these are the features of Go language, and that makes it better than C language. And if we compare their syntax, so with C language, so both language has a very similar syntax. So if you know C language, you can very much you can easily very much start with Go language as well. So let's start guys the tutorial. But before that, we have to set up our system for the Go language. So you can use Visual Studio Code, which is very good editor, and it also comes with integrated extension. We can that we have to install it before using it on our system. So how first of all, what we have to do, you have to install Visual Studio if you didn't yet. So you can install it, Visual Studio Code, and just go for it and just install this software or IDE. So you can easily install. If you want to see the full video how to install it, you can go to my channel. So you can go to my channel and go to this playlist and just select this playlist. So Visual Studio Code tutorial for beginner, and I have made three video here. So to set up Python, yeah, Python, and yeah, how to install. So you can watch the first video. You can watch the first video to see how can we install that. I have explained everything in this video, so you can go and watch it out. So now let's move it to. So once you install this, let's open it and make it suitable for Go language. So when it is open, now you can go to its extension. Yeah, here it is extension. You can go into it and search for Go language. So you can go for it. Go language. Yeah, you can see. Just install this. Once it is installed, you can press Control plus Shift plus P to uh, open this search file and search for Go colon and install. Not searching properly. Let's do it again. Control Shift and P. Go install. So you have to start with capital G. So make sure that and just select this one. So command result in error. Go tool not found. So we can install it by here, or we can install it by its website. So you can go to Go language and go to this website and just download this one and install for Windows and let it download. So once it is downloaded, just open it to install and click on next, click on next, click on next, and click on install. So once it is installed, just finish it. And let's go back to our VS Code and again type press Control Shift and P and search it for again this, and right now it is not found. So what we can do, so now if it didn't work, guys, just close this VS Code and open it again, and now again let's do this. Just press Control Shift and P and this will open, and now you go search for, again I have done it wrong, Control Shift P, fine, again Control Shift P, and now search for uh, go, yeah, just use this and select all and click on OK. So now you can see it is installing 7 tools in this module mode, which is Go Test, Go Modify Text. Once all the tools has been installed, now guys you can open a new file here, or we have already a new file here, and just type the following program to print hello world. So we are going to run first our code hello world, and we'll save it as hello world.go. So you can save it first. First we save it, and then we're going to save it in new folder and select a folder and create new folder and go language. Fine, and just open it and type hello.go and just save it. Fine. So this is our first hello.go file, and now we're going to write a program. So first of all, just type import main. So it is used to write a main code or main program that execute the code. And after that, oh, so we actually inspired by uh, Python, so we have to use package here. Package main, something like that. So I think I have just executed the code. So now guys, just type package main, and then you have to type import and bracket and double quote and type fmt. So we'll import a fmt, and then we are going to use fmt to print our uh, statement. But before that, uh, we have to make function here, and which is to create a function we have to use fumc function and then type function name, and after that we have to use curly bracket and type fmt to call print function to print our statement, and type your statement in double quotes like hello world, and after that just just leave here, and we don't have to use semicolon here like we use in Java programming. So now just save it and let's run this code. So to run you can use this button and click on run debug. Let's see. Or we can run it by the terminal as well. You can use terminal here to run your code. Let's see if it can run or not. And as you can see, it is printing hello world. So output should be in debug console. Or we can run here. We can go to Go language directory, and now we have to type go run and dot backslash fine and type the file name hello dot go, and let's see, and as you can see it is printing hello world. Fine, let me zoom it here. You can see it is printing hello world. So we can use terminal here, or we can see the output in debug console. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can run and your first Hello World code in Visual Studio Code by using in Go language basically. So Go language is very right now trending language. We can use this language for system programming and for making software efficient software. So yeah. So this is our first video in Go language tutorial, and will followed by all the syntax and all things will cover in this tutorial. So you can go and see all the videos in playlist. So this is our first video, and we'll go one by one to cover everything in Go language. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. In the next video, till then, bye bye.